Alright, so here we are in remove.bg. Just gonna upload. Now let me just go on and before I can, let me first close this. Let me just go to pixels and get any picture so I can show you how possible this is. Let me just pick any picture here. Let me just say, for a girl, let me just take this one here. I can just download her. And then I can go back to my remove.bg and I go to upload, or you can then you can even just drag and drop. You can even just drag and drop an image, and there it is. Let's give it a little bit of time. It's gonna come. So this is the original and this is the removed one. So you can just go to download. Now if you want HD, you're gonna pay some little amount of money. That's how they also make some money, but I'm really satisfied with this. So you can see, yeah, it really does a good job. This could take you an hour in Photoshop, so it's really cool. So if this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which any other question that you may be having. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more free nice content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.